See, I gotta take out those two bolts. I already drained the oil. I already took all these off. It's gonna need a new belt. And then I see over here the power steering has a little leak. I just need to get a new hose. And let's see, I'm gonna take out those two bolts, see if it's not that hard. Drop this oil pan, and then I would continue with this process. Other than that, the master looked like it was a little dirty, leaking, but I cleaned it up, and I want to see if it keeps leaking. If not, I will replace it too. I'll keep you updated with the build. It's a 01 Toyota Celica, I think it's GT, and what I see is it's straight piped. Oh wow. With a stock muffler all the way in the back. So I got 205/40 17-inch rims. They're I think they're, I don't know the brand yet, but I'll post it after.